Hello, let's understand how we can enable call recording synchronization feature with CallIZ. To enable this feature, let's log into admin panel. Now, go to manage employees. From this call recording enable option, you can enable the call recording synchronization feature. Now, for how to set up call recording synchronization from employee's phone, we have created a separate video so please check it. After set up the call recording synchronization from the employee's phone, in the next step, I will show you where you can check the call recording storage and download the recording files. So for that, go to manage call recordings. Here you can check out the storage and you can filter the employee wise and duration wise data and you can download or delete the files. You can also send the request to buy an extra storage. You can also review the call recordings in periodic reports and in call history. Here you can play and download the files. You can also check out this in client reports. You can here also play and download the same. You can also check out this call recording in lead reports and in lead reports call history. And here you can also play and download the same. So I hope this video will help you to understand how call recording work with CallIZ. If you still have any questions or need any help, please contact us. Thank you.